Okay guys, what I wanted to do today is made a beef suya barbecue. This is an African recipe that I wanted to do today for the very first time. The ingredients that we're going to mix first to marinate our meat. So I've chosen this meat. You can actually choose any meat you want to grill, but I prefer this with bones and stuff like that. So that's how it is. I'm now in the backyard right now and I'm going to start grilling the beef suya first, okay? So here it is now. So this is now how it looks like. So it's time to taste the beef suya. Soft, not so spicy. Perfect. What I'm doing now is marinating some pork meats that I have. Um, Actually, these are pork meats that are in different types of cuts. I just wanted to grill meat today, have some little barbecue. So I wanted to try out her sauce. Her sauce is homemade. She's also a Filipina, but she put a little twist of the sauce, and this is made of habanero. That means it's quite spicy. After we coat all the meat with the sauce, we're going to marinate it for 7 to 8 hours before we can put it on the grill. So this is ready for marinating. And this is the other meat that I marinated with the habanero barbecue sauce made by Enjoy. Sister Joy, thanks for the sauce. So I use this for basting. There's a little bit of achiote oil and as well as the sauce, so I can put it there a bit.